Let's explore the RateHawk platform together. Let's find a hotel, search for a destination, and you'll see available accommodation options in real time. Over 15 filters help you quickly find the best option for your client. Use the interactive detailed map to find a hotel in the best location. You can play with prices by choosing a different working model, net or gross. If you're searching in front of your clients, press Shift-R and the client sees only the gross price. Click on a property and you'll get a detailed description, along with reviews and additional information. You can pay by card, wire transfer, or open banking. Moreover, you can send a link to your client. We pre-check your bookings to ensure everything is on track and the accommodation is expecting your guests. And if you ever have questions or requests, multilingual support is available 24/7. Moreover, to supercharge our partners' progress, we have tools such as a mobile app and a loyalty program to earn points and use them to pay for bookings. RateHawk, release your superpower. Register today.